Hello, this is Johnny. Today we're at Kulalani. It's in the Mauna Lani Resort on the Kohala Coast of the Big Island of Hawaii. We're going to take a look at a condominium there. We're going through the front gate. It's basically one long street that ends in a cul-de-sac with condos on either side of the street. This condo that we're looking at today, 501, is on the right side of the street. You'll notice those two garage doors there. It has a nice, large, finished two-car garage. Going to head through the front door here. There's an entryway. To your left, which we'll see later, is a powder room right off the entryway. Now we're entering the great room. As you can see, there's a lot of light in here. It has 20 feet vaulted ceilings with multiple windows. It has a very light and airy feel. To your left is the lanai off of the master bedroom on the bottom floor. Again, you can see it's a large room. Headed into the kitchen, and to the left is another lanai, which is right off the kitchen. You can see we have seating for 4 as well as a breakfast bar. Nice large kitchen, plenty of cabinets and storage. This unit is being sold turnkey. Everything in it goes right down to the knives and forks, so you just bring your suitcases and move in. Nice stainless appliances. As you can see, a lot of counter space. And we're just passing to the left. That's the refrigerator that looks like the cabinetry. Now we're coming in from the common area, which is like your own backyard, to the lanai off the dining room. As you can see, it has a barbecue and a sink. Again, seating for 4. Plenty of space to prepare your meals. Now we're walking out what is basically your backyard. And this is one of the great things about this condo, is it adjoins the 5th hole of a golf course at Mauna Lani. There's 2 golf courses. This is particularly scenic. As you can see, there's a green out there, sand trap, and a lake. And there's a little berm between the backyard of this condo and the golf course that minimizes any noise that comes from the people out on the course. But it's a very tranquil and peaceful feeling outside the condo. Again, you can get a glimpse of Kulalani. Now we've come back in. We're heading upstairs to the upstairs portion of this. It's an 1,868 square foot condo, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Here we are at the first landing. You can see a lot of the artwork, which is included, are high-resolution photographs that are mounted on aluminum. It's very attractive. Now we're going up the second set of stairs. And now you can see, again, the great room, the vaulted ceiling and all the windows. We're heading to the master, which is located upstairs. As you can see, also has sliding doors that lead to another lanai. And again, all this furniture and everything you see in this video is included in the sale. There's a view headed towards the bathroom and the stairway headed up to this bedroom. Here we are out on the lanai. You can see the separation here between this building, Building 5, and the building next door. Plenty of room, again, very private. To your left is a large walk-in closet, and here's the bathroom associated with the upstairs master. As you can see, it has dual vanities, plenty of counter space, plenty of storage. You've got a jetted tub, jacuzzi tub, nice walk-in shower. Now we've jumped downstairs to the second master, which, as I mentioned previously, you can see the lanai off of that master. Again, everything is included, kind of a nice canopy bed in here. Here's the lanai off of that master. It's kind of nice having the two bedrooms so separated in case you have guests or you wanted privacy in either bedroom. Again, another panoramic of what you see from that lanai. It's actually kind of a little better view than the other lanai. Now we're going into the bathroom associated with this bedroom. We just passed two closets, one on either side. Again, similar to the one upstairs, you have a double vanity, a jacuzzi tub, nice little private garden area to look out when you're taking a bath. And similar to the bedroom upstairs, you have a nice shower. Now we've gone back to the kitchen, and the door you see to your right is the door to the large finished garage. Again, typical of the unit, you know, a large laundry room. Now we're walking back out the entrance, and I mentioned earlier in the video that there's a powder room right near the front door, and here it is. Okay, we've walked out the front door, and now we're headed for the common area of Kulalani, which is shared with the adjoining development of Camilo. It's definitely one of the largest, if not the largest, common area in the Mauna Lani Resort. It's over 2 acres. So I'm just illustrating how close you are. You literally walk across the street, and then here's the entrance to the common area from Kulalani. Okay, we're inside the common area. This is the lap pool area, one of 2 pools. That structure you see to the left is the gym, which we'll view later. So you have full-on capability here to swim laps right across the street. This is the second pool. It's more of the family pool. It's much larger, a lot more seating around it. In front of you right now is the child section of that pool with water about, I don't know, foot deep. You'll notice that there's nobody there. It's pretty common. I've sold quite a few properties inside both developments, and very rarely do I see very many people in the common area. Here's the hot tub associated with the family pool. And again, the large lawn area, plenty of room for the kids to run and play. To the left is a pavilion, which has a barbecue and so on, which you can rent for family events or reserve. Get out of the sun. There's also full-on restroom facilities by this pool. Now we're in the gym. This has been recently redone. All the equipment is new. It has a men's and women's locker area on either side of the building, right by the lap pool. Okay, that's Kulalani 501. We're now at the Beach Club at the Mauna Lani. There's some really, really nice stuff in this resort. And so I hope you enjoyed the video, and please give me a call if you need any further information. Have a good day. Aloha.